We know the countdown and anticipation to One UI 5 beta is building up close to the expected time of the third week of July 2022. For now though, One UI 4.1 is still the main OS version at hand, and with the new month well on its way, the July security update from Samsung has started to roll out to eligible devices. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Let's take a look at the July security update and discuss One UI 5 beta just around the corner. For reference, we do have all three models of the Galaxy S22 at hand, and they are the UK and European models, which are powered by the Exynos 2200. The download size is roughly around 390 megabytes for all three models of the Galaxy S22. Now, the last four figures of the build number for the software is AVF5 for all three models. All these are the unlocked models of the Galaxy S22. Now, the build numbers might be different for the locked carrier models, and the update might not yet be available due to region and carrier restrictions. Now, the changelog details pretty much outline the standard things we usually see on a monthly security update, focusing on overall stability improvements and a list of native Samsung apps that may be updated throughout the process. Although not much is given away and detailed in the original changelog when updating to the July security patch, Samsung's official mobile security online page states that along with Google patches, Samsung does provide 41 vulnerabilities and also exposure fixes to improve customer confidence on security for Samsung devices. As expected for a monthly update patch, not much has changed in the core user experience in terms of brand new features, but it is good to see that the monthly security updates are rolling out, especially since it's all happening within the first week of the new month. As we are nearing to the first rollout of One UI 5 beta in what is expected to still be in the third week of July, our sources do tell us that internally at Samsung that quite a few people already have access to the beta. Fingers crossed. Now this is all we need to know ready for One UI 5 beta with Android 13. Have you received the latest July security update for your eligible Galaxy device? And are you as excited for One UI 5 beta like we are? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.